All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And as you can see, we're at the shop because we're going to be removing the 115 millimeter pulley on the ESS G3R head unit for the 110. Currently, I do believe the car is making high 800, possibly low 900 horsepower. I don't think so just yet, but the 110 millimeter pulley should get us that number. Now, the tuner already said that the math is scaled up to the 100 millimeter pulley, but I'm not going that far. No way. It's just going to be too much boost, too much power. I'm not comfortable with that. But this 110 should get me that 900 horsepower area. Should be. If you guys are excited, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications, because we are going to be going ahead and getting the first drive. I did with my laptop, so we're going to be data logging the car as well. I'm not going to do any hard pulls just yet because it's still incredibly hot outside and there's a lot of cars out, so we're not going to have enough space. That will be a different video. We're going to be swapping the pulley out today. And man, how much power do you think it's going to make?
I'm thinking definitely over 9.
You think 9? It's probably making over 9 now. In all reality, it
probably
might
is.
be.
I mean, man, I've been in this car a lot of times. This car is moving.
Yeah,
so
it might be.
It feels like a 900 horsepower car currently.
Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. If it blows the tires off with this 110, it's making over 9.
Well over 9.
Yeah, but we'll see. We'll see. We're gonna go ahead and get this done, and then yeah, do that log. And before anybody asks, yes, the stock clutch is still in the car. I already took the car racing. That video is going up. Actually, it should be before this one goes up on the channel. The clutch did all right. Honestly, it's weird because I feel like the clutch only slips if I'm doing like back-to-back runs, which I don't do, especially not in this heat. But I think this 110 millimeter pulley is definitely going to finish it off. We're going to be getting some runs in this weekend, hopefully, if everything goes to plan weather-wise, and also with the data log, we should be good to go. And I think that honestly might go ahead and finish off the clutch. So we're gonna go ahead and get our money's worth, literally, because this stock clutch, it was on the car for like a month, bolt-on, full bolt-on with the headers E intake combination. And then it was on the car for the ProCharger setup on 93. Then it was on the car for the ProCharger setup on E85. And then it's on the car for the ESS G3R setup on the 115. And now we're going to the 110. So this clutch has literally seen 500 horsepower, 600 horsepower, 700 horsepower, 800 horsepower, and now 900, like ridiculous. It's taken a beating, and that goes to show you that like this OEM clutch in the Shelby GT350, like if I wasn't, you know, trying to go past like 800, definitely if I was gonna be like at 750, I wouldn't even waste time with an aftermarket clutch. I would just stick with the stock clutch because, you know, it puts in some work. This car is proof. It has a stock clutch. Let me go ahead and take this clutch out. I'm going to show that it is a stock clutch. It's putting some work, and I mean, it's nice. It's real nice. So 750, 800, just put a stock clutch in your car, and you're going to be good to go, literally. So here's a 110 millimeter pulley. This is what's going to be going on the car right now. I'll do the size comparison between the 115 and the 110. Nothing crazy, just a few extra pounds of boost, but because this car revs to 8,300, it is going to be a little bit more pronounced, and we're going to be able to feel it for sure. But we're going to be taking off the 115 for the 110. Super excited. I think we're going to be making some good power. I do want to get the car dynoed, but again, it's really not up to me. I'm waiting till Pat gets his dyno because the dyno people are kind of tripping. Right now it's almost impossible to get a car on the dyno, so it is what it is, you know. Rather dyno it or just like have fun on the street and race it. I mean, I'd rather have fun on the street and race it. I mean, you can make your own assumption of how much power the car is making right now. We know it makes over 800. That's a given. We know it makes over 850. That's a given. Right now, especially now with this 110, I think we're definitely going to be over 900. So we'll see. We'll get some draggy data when we have some time, as well as when it's not like 100 degrees outside.
A few moments later.
Yep, there we go. pulley is
About to come off. There we go.
There it goes. Whoop, 115 off the car. Here we go, y'all. 115.
And then this is what
Compare
we
it to the 110. Yep, completely covers it up. From underneath, you can kind of see it's a massive. It's not really a massive difference, but you can tell there's a difference.
Yeah,
here.
it's definitely a difference here. Alrighty.
All right, y'all. So here is my old 115 millimeter belt. This is the one that's been on the car this entire time since the kit was installed, and honestly, I'm very, very impressed because the belt literally still looks new. I mean, I'm putting my hands through it and like I'm not really getting any residue. So there goes to show you like how effective like the routing is with the ESS kits with the black belts. So I'm really, really impressed, happy about that. I'm gonna keep the 115 in this belt because obviously if we have to go ahead and make adjustments and we have to go back, we still have everything, but yeah, this is not bad whatsoever. I mean, y'all can see like this belt, like it looks like shit, not new, but it doesn't look bad whatsoever.
A few moments later.
All right, so the 110 is on.
He's on.
There we go. Got it secured with Loctite. Route the belt, and then
You got the new belt, right?
yeah, it's right there. And then we're gonna fire that laptop up. Even though we technically don't even need to do it, still gonna do it anyway. Hopefully we'll be good.
She's gonna be flying.
Yeah, it should make. These are like this pulley. I believe it's like what, 10 pounds? Is it like 10, 11 with the 110? Or 12?
So.
Yeah, so like probably add to, it'll probably make like 13, 14 pounds of boost, I think.
They say the 110 is 10 psi.
Oh, 10?
pounds.
Okay, so
Yep.
give or take probably 2. So I'd say probably 12, 13.
Yeah.
That's about, yeah, it'll make good power. I mean, G3R is pretty efficient. All right, so everything's back together. We got the pulley on, belt, catch can is back on the car as well. Now we're just gonna go ahead and plug the laptop up and get everything situated, then turn the car on while the data log is running, and we'll get our little first drive. And my GoPro's about to die, so if this becomes like a 2-part, it is what it is, but we good. Let me just go ahead and get the laptop all set up and we good to go. Hopefully these tires will be working. They should. I'm acting like this is gonna make like 1100. It should be working. Shit. It should be like maybe like, I don't know, 40 wheel more, something like that. It'll make a difference, but it should be working. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the first startup. Let me actually go make sure this is turned on. Imagine how dumb that would have been if I didn't turn it on. Huh. There we go. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Unnecessary to do this, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. That idle log. First startup. 900 horsepower Shelby GT350. idle for a little bit, and then yeah. I feel like it's a little bit louder. It is a little louder. Because it's spinning faster. Yeah, it's definitely louder. It's a little louder. It's a little louder. Hell yeah. Let it idle.
One eternity later.
Alright, so gonna back the car up. My GoPro is literally about to die.
You gotta cut it hard.
Oh, this way?
Yeah. Cut it hard. You're good to come out. Cut it all the way. Keep it cut.
You good?
Yeah, you're good. You got a lot of room. Now bring it back. Come back and then cut it. Cut it. Cut it all the way. You're good. You got a lot of room.
Alrighty. Whew. Oh, my computer shit the bed, but we got enough data log going anyway. Alright, let me stop embarrassing myself. I'm nervous as fuck backing up trying to get out of here. Alright, so we're back at the casa. Was able to go ahead and complete the idle log. Next is to do the daily drivability log. You probably don't even need to do it, but I'm just gonna do it just to be on the safe side. That will be the next video on the channel, so stay tuned. If you guys are excited, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and above all, stay safe out there, y'all. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.